Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a cute ladybug. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page, and we're going to start by drawing the ladybug's head first. And it's a big oval shaped line like this that goes all the way around. Take your time. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time to catch up. Down and around. And back up to where we started. Like that. And now we're going to draw two antennae up off the top of the head. Antennas. So starting right here, we're going to do a curved line up like this and stop. And draw a circle on the end of that. Like this. And we're going to do one over here too. So a curved line up. And a circle on top of it like that. And let's do a little smaller circle for a highlight. And another highlight. And let's color it in black. It almost looks like eyes. Okay, now let's do a face on this head. So we're going to do an eye here, a bigger circle like this, down and around. And then one over on this side like this. And then we'll do a highlight inside of it like this. We'll color it in black. You know, I'm going to do a couple of eyelashes off like this to really make it look like a ladybug. And now we'll do a smile right between those two eyes. So just a curved line up like that. Okay, now let's draw the body. We're going to start by doing the wings back here. So starting here at the top of the head, we're going to do a big curved line over. Like this. And we'll stop right about there. And then a little further on the back of the top of the head, we're going to do another curved line, but this one's going to go all the way around because there's two wings. So this is, the first one we did was the back wing, and this is going to be the wing that's more towards us. And then it goes down. This is a long line, so take your time. And we'll stop right there like that. Okay, now let's draw the underbelly and the legs. So we'll start by drawing one leg here. And it's kind of like an oval. We'll stop. And then we'll draw the body line here. And we'll stop. Do another leg like this. And then the body. And then another leg. Body line, so it's continuing behind the legs. Another leg line like that. There are a bunch of U-shaped lines, and we'll do one more leg back here like this, and then we'll continue the body up like that. Okay, now we're going to do some polka dots or some spots on the back of this ladybug's wings. So let's start by just drawing some different shapes, ovals around like this, circles, kind of put them wherever you want. I'll do two more up here. And let's color those in black.
I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in.
I'm gonna make my ladybug red, or the wings red, and the rest of the body and face a darkish gray. You can make yours any color. For the face, head, kind of a dark gray, and the body too, and legs. And let's do the highlights in the eyes yellow.
And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.